And as per discussed in the previous part, today we are going to understand the second part of our homepage, which is our newly introduced feature. So this is our admin panel. We'll scroll down a bit, and here you can see the option homepage. I'll go upon add new section. So we have seen up to the product list, that how to add the products according to a list, that is in the horizontal or vertical manner in the lines. It is not scrollable. So now the next part is our image block. So I'll click upon image block. So what image block exactly does is you have to write a description and you can upload the image for the same over here. And you can also customize it according to your needs, whether you want your image to be on the right or your text to be on the left, or your image to be on the left or text to be on the right. So this is truly customizable as per you can see. So I'm going to add the name image banner, and you can add whatever description you wish for adding. So I'll upload the cover image for the same. So this is my image which I want to make it as cover. So I'll click upon save. Now we'll just hop on, as you can see the section 5 image block is at the last, so we'll hop upon the users end, we'll refresh it. Scroll down a bit, and at the last we can see this image banner. So that's how your image banner is going to look like from the users end, and that's how you're going to edit it from the admin side. So now let's create one new section. In this we are going to add one image block. So what is image block? In this we are going to add one video block. So what is video block basically? In this video block, you can just mention the video ID of a particular video. So I'll explain it to you what is video ID exactly does, and you can also give the description for the same. Let's say I'm just adding the description as video banner, as I did with the image banner. You can also customize it, that whether you want your video to be on the right or text to be on the left, video on the left or text on the right. So that completely depends upon you, how you want to make your website look more attractive to the customers. So I'm just going to YouTube. Let's say I'm choosing one video and clicking on it. So what you're going to do is you can just share this video, and you'll copy this link. Now hop on the admins panel, just paste it over here. So what we are saying is the thing after this slash is all your video ID. Delete all this, and this is your video ID. So that's how you add a video from the YouTube over here in the video block. You can also upload the cover image for that particular video banner if you want to show any. Let's say I'm adding this as my cover image for the video ID. Okay, I'm going to click on save. Now I'm hopping up on the user's end, refreshing it one more time. As I scroll down, as I know the video banner is at the bottommost point, so here is your video banner, and that's how it's going to look like, because it is by default the video is on the left and the text is on the right. So I just told you that it is your choice that whether you want your video to be on the right or the text to be on the left. As soon as I click upon this video, the video will start playing. That's why you have to add the video ID for the same, not the link. I think this much is pretty much clear to you. So we'll go upon adding new section. The next section being our text block. So what you can do in this text block, you can give the section name. Let's say I want to add about, or just say our team, on whatsoever team you're working with, or whatsoever office you're working in with, and you want to just write a description, a short description or a blog or anything, which is basically all text that you want to add or showcase on your website on the user's end. So that is your requirement for the same. That depends upon you, totally upon you, that whatever you want to add in the description. Let's say our team, and I'm just writing this is our team. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna just hop out of it. I'm just clicking upon save. Moving on to the user's end, clicking on refresh. As you know that the text block is at the bottommost point, so I'll just scroll down, add our team, and this is our team. So this is how your text block is going to look like, and this is how you can just make it look more better as per your requirements. Also in the text block, you can use the HTML thing. You can just go upon source and write your things in HTML. If you feel like that you can make the code look more attractive by uploading it in HTML, so you can go upon source and update the same in here. Right, just moving on to the next section. Next is categories. If you want to show your categories over there, and you want to show the categories under the section, let's say, I want to show my categories under the section named as things we offer. So let's say I'm just updating as that things we offer, and this section has been added. I'm going to the users and refreshing it. So I'll scroll down a bit. So under things we offer, this is our category that is visible to the customer's end. So this is the only category which has been added by us till now. Okay. So the next one being add new section, brands. Let's say you want your brands to be visible under the name brands or whatever you want. So the section name is completely your choice, whatever you want to keep it or whatever you want to name it. So let's say I want to show my brands under brands itself. Okay, so I'm clicking upon done. Moving on to the users and refreshing it again. So my brands are visible under brands. That's how you can add it. All right. So let's move on to the last section of ours, which is services. Like I want to name it as services we offer, not only services. So services we offer is the name of the section that I want to give. So services we offer, and clicking upon done. So that's how your 10th section, which is services we offer, has been added. Now we are moving upon to the users end and refreshing it again. As soon as I scroll down, at the last I can see services we offer, and all the services under this will be visible to you on the users end. I think this video has made pretty much things clear to you all. You can also reorder the things as discussed earlier. You can reorder them wherever you want to, how you want to make your website look more attractive to the users. So just hit up your brains and see how good of a website you can make for your users. I think that's all for the homepage. Let's meet up in the next video. I hope you all understand whatsoever I've taught you. Thank you.